Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you about a magic bag from Greggs and what the contents are of these magic bags and what Greggs foods you can reheat in the air fryer.
Well, I'm sat here in the car with George and Sophia's somewhere there as well. And we've got some really exciting news. There she is, see? We have actually won one of the bags to go, the magic bags from Greggs, and we're just off to collect it and see what's in our bag. And we can't wait. We're hoping for something delicious that we can cook in the air fryer and reheat, such as some yummy sausage rolls. But we'll have to wait and see, won't we, kids?
Yeah!
So we're going to head round to Greggs and see what's in our bag. Yeah. And we have our magic bag from Greggs. So let's get home and see what's in it.
Well, I'm super excited to get inside my Greggs magic bag because I've never had one before and I've heard that you can have really nice things in them like sausage rolls and donuts. So let's take a look, shall we? First out of the bag is sausage rolls. I love Greggs sausage rolls in the air fryer and I can't wait to reheat some of these in a little while. And what else have we got? Oh wow, we have got jam donuts with apple and raspberry jam. That sounds yummy. What else have we got there? We've also got some sweet treats. I'm just having a look, see what these are. Oh, these are called Yum Yums. I've never heard of Yum Yums before, but I'm sure they're yummy. And what else have we got? Nice little pastry thing here. Wow. Greggs pastries, hey. We'll check in a minute to see what it is because I have got a list of products included. So just move that one over, and then next we have Greggs chicken and bacon pasta. If you want a quick frugal meal with your box, you could simply reheat that and serve it with your sausage rolls, and then you've got dinner. Oh, what else have we got? I'm just getting hungry just looking at all of this. Wow, well, this is a white chocolate chip cookie, but obviously it's broken, but who cares, it'll still taste good. And next, can I just say, I cannot believe how much things is in here. Oh, wow, I'm in food heaven now. Greggs chocolate muffins. Come on then, Dominic, is that one for me or one for you? Or are we going to share them with the kids?
Two for me.
I don't even get one, that's not fair. And what else have we got? We've also got a croissant. I absolutely love croissants with some melted cheese in. They're absolutely delicious like that. And that is everything that's in our magic bag. So now I've got this list here of everything included. And that mystery pasta is actually a chicken bake. So we're going to have the chance to put a Greggs chicken bake in the air fryer, which is fantastic. So let me show you close up everything that we've got. So, get those muffins in there as well. So for our £2.59, we've got 4 sausage rolls, a croissant, 2 chocolate muffins, 2 Yum Yums, chicken and bacon pasta, 4 donuts, a Greggs chicken bake, and obviously a broken white chocolate chip cookie. I mean, isn't that amazing for just £2.59 for all that? I'm actually shocked. I was told that these Greggs magic bags were good, but I didn't know they were this good. And I can't wait to tuck in. Well, we got a chicken bake among this pack, and this is what I'm going to reheat in the air fryer first. If you just want to get your air fry basket out, and then you can actually place it in there on the packaging that's come with you, Greggs. This will reduce on your mess, and then you can eat it from the paper as well once you're done. So then put it back in, And then you want to turn on. So after turning the cassoulet on, you are looking to set the temperature to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. And then you want to go all the way down to 4 minutes and then press start. And repeat. Oh wow, we can really smell that in the Norman kitchen. And checking it, it is piping hot in the centre and absolutely perfect. I've never had a chicken bake before from Greggs and I absolutely cannot wait to cook in. And look at that, you kept your air fryer clean in the process. There you go, that's your Greggs chicken bake reheated in the air fryer. I'm sure you can hear the noise right now from the air fryer. That is our croissant being heated up again. And now I have in front of me the chicken bake. I've never had one before and I can't wait to try them. That's not bad actually. I've never been to Greggs much, so I don't really understand their food. I've never really got into them, even though I know they're absolutely huge in England. Lived abroad and I kind of missed the obsession with Greggs, but I must admit I am turning into a bit of a Greggs fan. That was just delicious. So George is tucking into the pasta that we got, and now it's time to reheat these sausage rolls. I've only ever had the frozen Greggs sausage rolls, so it's going to make a nice change to have these ones. The main reason I don't really go to Greggs that much is because my bakery is always my favourite bakery is always next door to Greggs. And wow, this cassoulet air fryer really does fit in all those sausage rolls. So that's 4 sausage rolls into the air fryer, and now let's get it going with a reheat, shall we? Right, so you're setting the temperature down to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and you're wanting the cook time to be 4 minutes. And then we can check on them, but we find that most foods reheat on 4 minutes. And repeat. So let's check on our sausage rolls. Oh, wow, the smell. And wow, they look wonderful and golden thanks to the air fryer. So that is 4 Greggs sausage rolls reheated in the air fryer. Absolutely fantastic, perfect for serving, and it's a great way to use the air fryer to make use of your magic bag. If you ever get a magic bag, any of your sausage rolls or any of your pastries will warm up perfect in the air fryer. Just 4 minutes, 160, and you're good. And these are the Greggs reheated sausage rolls. These are really, really nice. I mean, it just shows you how good the air fryer is for reheating your food. We've cooked Greggs frozen sausage rolls in there before and they've been lovely. So now this is a new thing. You know, you can grab yourself a magic bag and reheat it in the air fryer. Well, this is the Greggs croissant. I absolutely can't wait for Dominic to prep this for the air fryer. As you can see, it's just a lovely sized croissant. And what I love for my croissants is for them to be served with melted cheese in the middle. So what he's going to do is he's going to open up the croissant. I'm sorry, I've just eaten all the Greggs donuts and I've got donuts on the brain now. And he's going to be adding some margarine, or you can use butter, and then some of our favourite cheese. Our cheese of choice is 5 counties. I absolutely love it, and it's a cheese that I missed so much when we weren't living in England. And it's 5 counties because it's got a strip of cheese from each of the 5 major counties in the UK that has the popular cheeses. Now the question to Dominic is, can you name the 5 counties of cheese? You never can, and I want to see how many you can name. And you've forgotten the margarine, Dominic.
Oh, I've forgotten.
It's tired, we picked up a Greggs, it's gone 6 o'clock, and we're a bit tired, aren't we, Dominic?
Yeah.
So how many of those counties can you name? I can name Derbyshire.
Got Derbyshire, Cheshire, Gloucestershire, Leicestershire. Not too sure about the other one.
Yeah, I can never remember them all either.
No.
It's a nice mix of the counties because you get the nice hard cheeses, and then you also get the crumbly from the Derbyshire as well. So it's absolutely lovely. Oh, that looks amazing, Dominic. Now Dominic's going to pop that in the air fryer. I think you'll probably need one of those so that we don't make our air fryer too dirty. You can do the same thing yourself if you want to reheat croissants in the air fryer. Then this is how it's done. Load it up and place it in. So turn your air fryer on, and you want to set the temperature first. And you want to be going down to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and then setting the time to just 4 minutes. And then press start. And we've baked. And wow, this is the croissant that's been reheated in the air fryer. And oh my God, look at that melted cheese. It's just absolutely perfect for tucking into. Let me show you it a close up. Oh wow, that looks so crispy and yummy. And you know, if you haven't tried it before, reheat some sausage rolls, croissants, and all these other little things that you can get from Greggs in the air fryer. Maybe you've been shopping, they've been sat in the fridge and they've got a bit cold. But just think the air fryer is absolutely fantastic for this. And finally, this is the croissant reheated, the last thing that we reheated in the air fryer using the Greggs Magic Bag. Our verdict on the Magic Bag from Greggs is we would have them every day, but we'd end up incredibly fat if we did. We're really, really impressed with the contents of the Magic Bag. And you know, if you can, connect to the app and check it. We've found that the best time for things coming up is kind of between 3:30 and 5:30, and sometimes it's for the next day. So plan it if you're going to be in town at that kind of time the next day. See if you can grab yourself a Magic Bag for them, because they're brilliant value for money. And you know, some of this stuff can actually be loaded into the freezer and eaten at another time, such as the sausage rolls, the croissants and such like. And you know, all those donuts were absolutely delicious. And I'm sure we'll get a Magic Bag again sometime. I often get asked, what is Too Good To Go? Basically, it's an app that you can sign up for free. Simply search for it in the App Store, and it's for avoiding food waste. So you can sign up for one and check out your favourite stores, see if any of them are listed, and then add them to your favourites. We were told that Greggs was the best one, so we added Greggs to our favourites. And after 6 weeks of waiting, we finally found Greggs on the list of food to go, and we just nipped down to our local Greggs, and this is our bag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com, join the weekly newsletter at RecipeThis too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.